Hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make a messaging app in MIT App Inventor. So just remove this title. Yeah, so this is also a very simple app here. Okay, so what you have to do is go to social, and here you can see this option called texting. Drag and drop it on the screen, and here you can see this is the contact picker. So with this you can choose the contact whomever you want to send the message. Okay, here drag and drop this contact picker like this, and you also need a text box which should be on the screen. Okay, now here you can drag and drop a text box with a button. Okay, and here what you have to do is, okay, so what you have to do is the contact picker text is I'll just remove this, and yeah, no, it should be over here is what I guess. Okay, so here go. Okay, no. um where is that option? I don't know. Yeah, text editing, just a bit over here. Fine. So now here we need to put the space. Here you can see it should just be contact picker. Here you can keep the hint as type type anything. Okay, here this button should be font bold. Actually it's optional, however you want to design, you can design it, guys. Here you can put it as send message. Yeah, okay, so here we are done. Okay, when okay, contact picker 1. So when somebody clicks on that contact picker, it will directly take to their contact, sorry, their phone's contacts. Okay, when just okay yeah, just a second. Yeah, guys, I'm back. Here when contact picker 1 after picking. Okay, so as I said, if somebody clicks on that contact picking button, it will take to their contacts, and it will okay, what we have to do is, when contact picker 1 after picking, uh when contact picker 1 after picking, um say texting here phone number, texting phone number to contact picker 1. Here, yep. Here, just take this email address, your phone number, isn't it? This is the, yeah, super. Okay, now we have connected this. Set phone number to contact picker 1 dot phone number. When the send button, when somebody clicks that send button, if text box 1 dot text is equals to when text box 1 dot text, okay, here you can see here you need if. Okay, yeah, if, okay, sorry, this is not the one. Yeah, if text box 1, here you need this one, guys, and here go to logic is equals to connected, this is equals to empty. Then oh yeah, we need a notifier. Oh, what's this? Yeah, we need a notifier. Oh man, okay, yeah, now here let's drop a notifier. Okay, notifier 1, show alert notice. Yeah, so let's duplicate this empty block. So I'll tell you what you have to type. You can put type anything or do not leave it blank. Whatever you want to type, you can type. Okay. Now here, click on this settings icon, and here you can see this else option. Just connect it over here. Okay. Else, okay. Otherwise, what it should do is texting one. Send message. Wait, guys. um yeah, that's it, guys. Just checked it if that was correct. So yeah. So guys, that's it for this short video. Again, guys, I cannot test this app as this device does not have a SIM card, if you can see over here. So maybe we can end this video. That's it for this video. Like this video, smash that bell icon. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the from the link given in the description below. ADN's comments website. You can ask me from there. Any suggestions also you can give. I will definitely try my best to do whatever you guys ask. And subscribe to my channel. Smash that bell icon. Like this video. So guys, that's it then. Thanks for watching.